Hi y'all, so today we're doing a little bit of a power hour during nap time because we're gonna be super busy this evening. We're doing our gender reveal video and we have just like a ton of projects going on, lots of things to hang up all throughout the house, and Nathan has to fix our washing machine. It's a whole thing. So I think this is honestly gonna be the only time that I have to clean today, so let's get into this power hour. Hopefully this gives you some really awesome cleaning motivation. Even if it's just for like 15 or 20 minutes, you guys would be so shocked what you could get done in 15 minutes. So just put on this video, put some headphones in, and let's get to cleaning. All right, nice little belly check. And now we are starting in the kitchen. I'm gonna unload all of the clean dishes from the dishwasher and start hand washing the rest. I feel like I mention it in every video, but I just want to let anybody new know that I am like definitely a dishwasher person. I'm hand washing against my will today because our dishwasher is so bad. It's not broken, but the previous owners did not take care of it, so it literally makes your dishes more dirty than when you put them in. It's ridiculous, and I've tried to clean it like 3 different times. So that leads me to today's question. Are you a hand wash everything person or are you a dishwasher person? I personally wouldn't hate hand washing dishes so much if it didn't take so long. I mean, it takes forever, it feels like, and loading a dishwasher takes like 3 minutes. So I'm definitely a dishwasher person. Let me know down below if you're a dishwasher person or a hand washing person.
Walking away, your words are lost on me. It's taking everything not to turn around. Throw it away. See if you'll let go of me when you're not holding me. I can see it now.
If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Lauren. I have just recently moved to Wyoming from Texas. I moved here with my husband, Nathan. We have 1 son named Jax, and we have 1 baby on the way, and we also have 2 awesome dogs. I used to be a makeup counter girl for Estee Lauder, and now I am a stay-at-home mom who does YouTube videos, and I absolutely love it. I would not change my life for the world. If you don't know, I actually have 2 channels. So on this channel, I do cleaning motivation videos, organization, unpacking, deep cleaning. I also throw in grocery hauls and recipe videos every now and then because I do like to cook. And right now I'm also doing pregnancy vlogs. And I have another channel that's all about self-care motivation, shower routines, reviews, pamper routines, all of that good stuff. So if you like cleaning, you can stay here. If you also like self-care, you can head over to my other YouTube channel and check it out. And I also always link my TikTok and my Instagram down below. I don't post super constantly over there, but if you want to follow me just to see what I have going on, there you go.
Hey, when I lose, but if I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it. I'm like, oh shit, I've been doing this a long time, lost in my head. I don't care, I'm not gonna lose it. I'm not gonna lose this. I'm up all day, all night, replaying our last fight. Now in hindsight, I don't care, I'm not gonna lose it. I'm not gonna lose this. Yeah, kinda hate myself sometimes. Everything was on the line. Didn't wanna be the one who had to say it. No, I can't move one at a time. Promise I'll put down my pride. Don't look back because I mean it when I say it.
After all those dishes are finally done, I'm gonna use Dawn Power Wash to scrub all of the food and gunk out of the sink and get it nice and sparkling clean. And I also sprayed the Dawn Power Wash on my stovetop to give it that a really good scrub down as well. I cook a lot. I love to cook. I cook 3 meals a day and I'm always making a mess in the kitchen, so I pretty much have to scrub this stovetop down every day.
But if I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it. But if I'm gonna lose you,
sent with no reply. It's like that. You're just gonna walk into my room. I hate how you assume I'll take the pleasure and the pain, the sorrows in your brain, 'cause I know you're on the run. I'll take the pleasure and
Now onto the clutter. The island in the kitchen has definitely become a catch-all, so I'm just getting rid of trash, taking little things to whatever room they actually belong in, hanging up towels, just putting stuff away, and then I'm going to wipe down the counters with my Method antibacterial multi-purpose cleaner.
your secrets to my grave, 'cause you are the only one. 'Cause you are the only one. The only one. 'Cause you are the only one. The only
Since I only have 1 hour to clean today, I am tackling the most main areas of my house that need to be very functional all the time. That is going to be the kitchen, dining room, and the living room. So I'm going to be making sure all of these are clean and ready to go. And I also finally got my spring decorations, so I'm just gonna quickly throw those onto the table as well. It's not too many decorations really, it's just some cute little plates and a centerpiece. But yeah, I just thought it would be nice to finally put that out while I was here. I had a couple toys to take downstairs and some Home Depot bags for, you know, fixing the washer and hanging things up. So just getting rid of trash, getting rid of clutter, putting things where they belong, and wiping down the table. As you can see, it's covered in crumbs from my son throwing his food from his high chair. What are you gonna do? He's 2. And yes, I am just wiping those crumbs onto the floor because I'm just gonna vacuum. So I just quickly wipe everything onto the floor and vacuum it later. And then I remembered that I needed to go flip laundry, so I'm just going to put one load from this morning into the dryer and start one more, and that will be my 2 loads for the day. That's pretty much what my goal is to do every day so that I can just keep up with the laundry and get it all done.
my side, day or night. You know that it's killing me. Why do you always leave? It's not right. We don't fight, but I know what you've been through. I'll take the pleasure and the pain.
Now we're in the living room. I'm just going to put away all of my son's toys. He does have a playroom which has the like 98% of his toys, but I keep just these 2 boxes of toys in a little cube organizer in our living room, just because if we want to be in here watching TV, relaxing, or if I'm cooking and he wants to be playing but I can't watch him in the playroom, he has some toys out here to play with. So I'm just going to put those away quickly. Normally this is not something I worry about doing in the middle of the day because after his nap he's just going to take them out again. But since this was the only time that I was going to get to clean today, I wanted to pick them up so that I could vacuum. I also usually vacuum and mop at the very end of the day. Again, I wasn't going to have time for that, so we're doing it in the middle of the day. And I'm going to just vacuum my couch like I always do. There's like always crumbs, dirt, you know, dog hair, all of that stuff. I do vacuum my couch every day because of that. It is what it is. When you have pets, I feel like you probably understand, like there's just always hair or dirt, and then add a toddler to that, we're going in and out all day, there's always dirt and crumbs everywhere. Yeah, so I'm just vacuuming the couch. I'm gonna spray it down with some nice air freshener after I set up the pillows, and then I am going to vacuum the floors.
Stars in your brain, 'cause I know you're on the run. I'll take the pleasure and the pain, your secrets to my grave, 'cause you are the only one.
So this is our old TV. Nathan has to move it because it's way too heavy. These are things that we're hanging on the wall tonight. And these are the pipes that Nathan needs to like fix our washer. And these are toys that are going to the playroom, so I'm about to take that. I just don't like these particular ones because they get lost under the couch. But the couch in the playroom is too low to the ground, so for those to get lost, you know, so these are going to the playroom. Mr. Ruger, I wish we had a better place for his kennel. It's not gonna always live here, especially after tomorrow because our chairs are coming tomorrow, but yeah. Hello, Mr. Ruger. He obviously likes it. He loves sleeping in there, so I definitely need to find him a cool dog bed that looks like chic, you know, or like a dog house that looks really chic for up here so that he can like have his little happy place, but it won't look like that and be right there. So there's my set table. I still need to get napkins and stuff, but you know, it is what it is for right now. I really want a napkin holder, and then I thought, how cute would a peach scented candle be? Gotta get that. We are going to Walmart tonight, so maybe I can find something. And that's a project for a different time. Here's the after of the kitchen. Looking good, ready to be back in service when the baby wakes up, and we are good to go. So that is everything I got done in an hour. I wish I could have got done more, of course, because I'm way too type A. I always wish that I could do more, but that's okay. There's always tomorrow for cleaning. You know, we're gonna do some fun stuff tonight, so I'm not even gonna be thinking about cleaning. Let's just do fun stuff. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully this motivated you guys. If you're still cleaning, I have a whole list of videos that I will link down below, a whole playlist of all my cleaning motivation, and I will see you guys in another video very soon. Bye.